Let's go over this example question, which is question 5 from the Eric Mazar textbook under the topic for periodic motion 15.1. Figure 15.5 shows a graph of the potential energy of a moving object as a function of its position x. What is the maximum range of x values possible for periodic motion in this system? Before we answer this question, let me explain what this question really means. You can try to answer it on your own first before I explain. So this graph actually just shows the relationship between potential energy and the position of a moving object. Okay, so this object is not in periodic motion, but then we are being asked that what is the maximum range for the possible in which the values of x will be possible for periodic motion. So we go back to the definition of periodic motion and say, what is periodic motion? Periodic motion is the motion which repeats itself. Okay, so if we look at this object, suppose let's have a look at 0.5 here at x equals to 0.5. This side, this object's potential energy decreases whenever this potential, whenever these x values become more negative. Its potential energy, it only decreases, it never increases. Okay, and if potential energy only decreases, there is no periodic motion. And remember what we said there about the periodic motion of a spring. When it is fully stretched, what happens is that its potential energy becomes maximum. Potential energy increase as we compress the spring, and then as we stretch the spring, the potential energy decreases and becomes zero. And then that is what determines the periodic motion. Okay, so if you look here, we are looking for the values of x in which potential energy will be increasing and decreasing at the same time. Okay, if we look again on the right here, you will see that at position from here 3.5, on the right side, potential energy increases and it never decreases from there. Okay, so basically the range that we are looking for is from 0.5 up until 3.5. Okay, so you can see that if we are to keep our values of x at this point, we will get our periodic motion, our potential energy will be decreasing and increasing. Suppose that when our object is traveling, suppose it is at x equals to 3.5, and then it start again at x equals to 0.5. So you see now that our potential energy will be decreasing and increasing, and this is a property of periodic motion. Okay, this is it for this question.